Mary magnified God even if she does not feel favored. Ang description po kay Mama Mary sa Bible, ay grabe si Mama Mary. She was described as highly favored. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat. Ang ganda, no? But if you come to think of it, the odds are actually stacked against her. She was highly favored, pero muntik na siyang iwanan ng fiancé niya. She was highly favored, but she was in danger of being stoned to death. Alam niyo ba na hindi basta-basta yung ibinigay sa kanya na calling na magiging nanay siya ng anak ng Diyos? Kasi she might die. Kung nalaman nyo ng mga kapitbahay, nalaman nyo ng mga tao sa paligid niya na walang ama yung dinadala niyang anak, ang kaparusahan doon, stoning to death. Kailangan meron kang asawa bago ka magkaroon ng anak. Mary was highly favored. Pero imagine nyo yun, she had to ride a donkey and walk 90 miles to go to her cousin Elizabeth. Yung pumunta nga lang sa ref, tamad na tamad ka. Si Mary, buntis, nakasakay pa sa donkey, 90 miles, 7 days siya nag-travel. She was called highly favored, pero hindi siya nanganak sa St. Luke's or Asian Hospital having the best OB-GYN. She gave birth on a dirty manger. Favor, blessings, can sometimes be burdens. Favor never looks like favor at first because it's possible to be highly favored and you don't feel it at first. Pwede kang pinagpala, favored by God, pero hindi mo nararamdaman yan sa pagkakataon na ito because favor sometimes take you through frustration, through fear, through failure. And sometimes favor is something you would not immediately choose. Nag-break kayo ng jowa mo, talagang nangarap ka na, nakasama mo siya, magkakaroon kayo ng pamilya, 5 years kayo magkasama, and then boom, one day bigla kayo nag-break, akala mo siya na, pero tingnan mo nag-break kayo, ang sakit! Hindi mo yung ginusto, at hindi mo pipiliin na magkahiwalay kayo. Masakit. But, it can be possible that it can be the favor of God. Because one day you will look back and thank God you were saved from that relationship. And because of that heartbreak, you were led to the right one. Favor doesn't feel favor at first. You did not get your dream job. You did not get your dream school, your dream course, your dream career, your dream green card, your dream visa. In the moment, it does not seem favorable, but later on, you might realize that God is preparing you for something better. That's why you did not get what you want. But favor doesn't feel favor at first. Meron kang hindi gustong nangyayari sa buhay mo at feeling mo parang pinaparusahan ka ng Diyos. Feeling mo ang malas-malas mo. It can be the very sign that you are highly favored because favor doesn't feel favor at first.